As we usher in the new year, we expect major displays of fireworks at selected venues. These displays usually include a string of firecrackers, close proximity and special events fireworks. And only contractors licensed under the Explosive Act shall display these fireworks following standard fireworks displays. Now, we have the list of contractors licensed include Tomil Fireworks Limited, Quality Lighting Uganda, Fesco Limited, Extreme Events Services Limited, Sky Flames Uganda Limited, Goshen Africa Limited, Light Africa Uganda Limited, and Fireworks 7000. Of course, these have been thoroughly vetted and profiled and are cleared to carry out fireworks. We so far have 1,907 fireworks displays that will be taking place at the end of this year and as we usher in the new year. The largest fireworks displays will be in Kampala Metropolitan East, that is Jinja Road, and that side where we shall have 298, followed by KMP North with 290, and KMP South with the 280. Then the lowest regions with fireworks, we have Mount Moroto with only 5 fireworks displays, Bukedi North with 6, and Rwenzori East with 11. Now, all our territorial commanders have been tasked to watch out for organizers who set off fireworks outside the permitted times, which can be dangerous to the public. So they have been tasked to police the event and create task teams to prevent disruptions caused by forbidden fireworks. In addition, and in close coordination with the contractors, they shall review and approve the location of the proposed fireworks discharge sites, provide supervision and guidance. At their discretion, they will have the authority to suspend or terminate the display due to weather or any other grounds deemed unsafe. The fireworks display contractor shall be required to conduct an online on-site safety assessment and shall supply at least 10 fire extinguishers properly tagged and functioning. The fireworks operator shall supply fireworks tools, equipment for transporting, receiving, safety on site. Then all displays shall be set up employing methods for interrupting firing in case an unforeseen danger becomes evident. Aerial displays shall not include free-floating devices or shells and so on. No spectators or spectator parking areas shall be located in the display site. And the presence of trees, shrubs is a safety problem, and so on. We've encouraged we are prohibiting smoking, matches, lighters, open flames within 50 feet of the fireworks material, and also prohibiting persons who are under the influence of alcohol, narcotics, or medications that could adversely affect their judgment, mobility, or stability near the fireworks display areas. No cell phone or radio frequency. These are permitted within the discharge area. Then ensuring that there's protective equipment, and also the neighborhood must be informed of the fireworks through the media and local authorities like LCs.